Everyone, welcome back. Now, when everyone said that New York is not a real place, I didn't initially believe it, but after this video, I can admit defeat. This is definitely not a real place. It certainly looks like a New York um, metro system or subway system, to be honest. Maybe it's not even New York. I don't even care at this point. The bull market is here. That's my point. The bull market is here for some reason today. The EV stock world has made a U-turn essentially. Every EV stock is in the green today for some reason. Some are doing better than others. Now let's take a look at the market so I can show you for yourself. Not just Rivian, not just Tesla, Polestar. Polestar is up for some reason. It's in the green. And today it's up 8.6%. I bet you didn't see that one coming. Now, it's still a long way off my predictions for the end of the year, which was, $8, $9, $10. Maybe my vision was instead in percentage. The EV stock market has turned around. I'm not entirely sure why. However, some are saying that Rivian stocks have turned around due to the fact that they've announced a new agreement with AT&T to provide AT&T with new electric delivery vans. That shouldn't have an effect on the rest of the EV market. What about Polestar? What about Neo? That's up like 5%. Lucid is up 14.48%. Perhaps I'll go to Google Lucid and see what kind of news there are out there. But here's my question to you and everyone else. What do you think has made this huge turnaround? So here's some other news as well. Lucid's CFO steps down in latest blow to Belledberg EV maker. Well, it's the CFO, Chief Financial Officer. That's easily replaceable. There's a lot of chief financial officers out there, people who are good with money. Now, if it was the CEO who stepped down, that would have made a big wave, but the CFO, not such a huge deal. I'm actually surprised by how much the Lucid share is going up. And just a few days ago, Investopedia published an article saying Lucid share falls 3% after it dropped from NASDAQ 100. I'm guessing it's back on the NASDAQ 100. But if I'm being completely honest, there's no clear indication of why the EV stock market is suddenly taking a U-turn. Even Fisker is up 4.73%. Don't get me wrong. It's been doing really bad recently. Lion Electric is up 9.3%. Let's look at Canoe. Canoe is up 4.7%. However, throughout the month, they've still been doing terribly. How about Arrival? Arrival is up only 2.3%. That's one of our original favorite stock. And right now, the company is valued at 23.7 billion. And right now, Arrival, my apologies, that would be incredibly outrageous. Right now, the company is valued at 23.7 million. There you have it. My mistake. Can't believe I said billion. Everyone's going to be laughing at me in the comment section because of that mistake. But listen, that's how it goes. Makes me really think this is probably a good time to buy Arrival. Let's be honest, someone is going to acquire this company and use the IP for something. But if they're going to acquire the company, it's going to be a little bit more valuable than 23.7 million. It's going to be a little bit more valuable. And we didn't start this video originally to talk about Canoe or even to talk about Arrival. We're just talking about EVs in total. But Canoe and Arrival, you can see they've been struggling for the last few years. Not just in share price, but in the actual company has been struggling just a little bit throughout the entire year. But I know there's a lot of people in the Polestar community that didn't expect this share to do 8.62% in one day. Throughout the entire year, they're down 56.4%. So we really don't know what's causing this. But I'm curious for you to let me know, what exactly do you think is causing this huge amount of problems? This huge amount of share price increase. Seriously. Now, if we list these companies by revenue, you can clearly see Polestar and Rivian, it's not a huge difference. However, the crazy thing is, Polestar has an history of delivering more vehicles than Rivian, far more vehicles than Rivian. Polestar revenue is significantly less, almost 1 billion difference less. So Rivian has delivered less vehicle, but they've made more money in terms of revenue. Keep in mind, Rivian vehicles are more expensive, so their margins are actually larger on their vehicles. The Polestar too, Polestar is losing a lot of money from that vehicle. I mean, that's the nature of this kind of business. It's a capital intensive business, but still, it is incredible when you look at the detail, when you look at the numbers like this. Polestar and Rivian, they have a long way to go, but I do like both companies. Love both companies, I should say. But listen, that's where we end the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.